Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GitHub Desktop from GitHub, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser. Go to the official GitHub website by typing in www.github.com. On the home page, look for the download button in the top right corner and click it. You will be redirected to the GitHub Desktop download page. Here, you will see the option to download GitHub Desktop for your operating system. If you're on Windows, the download should start automatically. If you're using macOS, click on the download button to begin your download. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. For Windows, this will be a .exe file. For macOS, you will find a .zip file. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. On Windows, follow the installation prompts in the Setup wizard. You may need to accept the license agreement and select your preferred installation options. For macOS, drag the GitHub Desktop icon into the Applications folder. Once the application is in the Applications folder, you can open it. For the first launch, you might be prompted to approve the application in your security settings. Once approved, GitHub Desktop will open. You will be greeted with a welcome screen where you can sign in or create a new GitHub account. Enter your credentials to get started. After signing in, explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the features. You are now ready to use GitHub Desktop for your projects. Congratulations, you've successfully installed GitHub Desktop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.